Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open the Snipping Tool on a Windows computer in 2026. The Snipping Tool is a built-in Windows application that lets you take screenshots quickly and easily. First, click the Start button on your taskbar, then click the search box and type Snipping Tool. You will see the Snipping Tool app in the search results. Click on it to open the application. Once it opens, you will see the new button at the top left. This button is used to take a new screenshot. Another quick way to open the Snipping Tool is by using a keyboard shortcut. Press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. As soon as you press these keys, the screen will dim and the Snipping Tool Capture toolbar will appear at the top of the screen. From there, you can choose Rectangle Snip, Window Snip, Full Screen Snip, or Freeform Snip depending on the type of screenshot you want to take. If you use Snipping Tool frequently, you can pin it to the taskbar. Right-click the Snipping Tool icon and select Pin to Taskbar. Now you can open it with a single click anytime you need it. That's how to open the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. It's a fast and useful tool for taking screenshots and capturing anything on your screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.